Imagine trying to survive without a fridge. How would you keep your food from rotting? Long before electricity, ancient people mastered brilliant methods to preserve their meals. They packed meat in thick layers of salt, hung fish to dry under the sun, buried vegetables in cool underground pits, and even used ice stored from winter to chill food during summer. In some regions, people smoked meat over slow fires for days, while others fermented everything from grains to milk, creating flavors that still exist today. These techniques weren't just clever. They were essential for survival, trade, and long journeys across deserts and seas. This is how ancient civilizations kept food fresh long before fridges ever existed.